Okay, hello guys and welcome to DTW Tutorials. Welcome. So in this video, I'm going to carefully explain the step-by-step JAMB registration process. Okay, a lot of students have been saying that comment, how do we register? What are we supposed to do? And all that. I'm going to break it down. Okay, I've broken it down in this document. Okay, so I'm going to take you through everything and explain it. Documents you require, how to avoid some common errors, how to avoid profile. I'm going to take you through everything. So please stay with me till the end, and please do share to your friends to help them out so they understand. Okay, so the first thing you do is to create your JAMB profile code. To create your JAMB profile code, okay, so I said create your JAMB profile code. That's the first thing. But here, the first step is for you to do what? First of all, I say here, please note, before you generate your profile code, do ensure all your details, name, date of birth, state of origin, on your name matches that on your WAEC or NECO results. This is very, very important, okay? Because if there are differences, discrepancies during your admission screening, you can be refused admission. That's your physical screening. Even if you score very high, if there are some differences in this, you can be refused admission. Why? Because your JAMB, when generating the profile code, it draws out the data from your name. So if the data on your name does not tally your WAEC or NECO results, there's a problem. All right, so please make sure you correct all this before you generate your profile code. All right, so the next thing now, so if all these things are correct, you open your text message app, then you say name, just one space, then your NIM number. All right, you send to 55019 or 66019. So when you send that, you are going to receive like prompts on your any network. They'll say, oh, it costs 15 naira. Do you want to go ahead? You say yes. Please have airtime. All right. So when you receive the 10 digits JAMB profile code, what do? You now go ahead and purchase your JAMB ePIN. Okay, we sell JAMB ePIN. So when JAMB form comes out, which is around the end of the month, like 31st, you can contact DTW Tutorials. Okay, so when you purchase this, then you now take your ePIN, your profile code, to a JAMB center, okay, an accredited JAMB center. Don't worry, JAMB will release the list of accredited JAMB center. I would send you that PDF document. You can always WhatsApp me. I will send you the PDF document so you can check your state and check the one close to you, your local government, okay, and go to the JAMB CBT center. Please do not go to a cyber cafe. All right, so as I said, the next thing to do now is to purchase your JAMB ePIN. All right, which you can do from us. You can buy from the bank, you can buy from DTW. I've put my details there. All right, now, so here, ensure, as I said, matches your NIM, matches your personal details. Okay, so the next thing is to visit a JAMB CBT center. Avoid cyber cafes. Now, the fourth thing is your registration. During registration, what do? You provide your JAMB profile code, ePIN, at the CBT center. And you also provide your correct email address. And I stated here, please use Gmail account, as Yahoo and iCloud might not work. You might not receive emails from JAMB because their JAMB server doesn't usually deliver message to Yahoo or iCloud, and they usually state it that please use Gmail. So create a Gmail account and save the password. I beg you guys, do not let any operator say, oh, I will use my email for you. Don't do that. Don't do that. That's a mistake. So create it and write out the password somewhere in your journal. Why do I say write out the password somewhere in your journal? Because I've seen cases where so many students, they will say, oh I misplaced my phone, I can't retrieve my email, I lost my email. So when you create it, write the password somewhere so that any phone you get, or you can even go to a laptop and sign in with your password. Can you see how important that is? All right, so the next thing is, when you provide all this, they'll give you a particular form. Don't worry, when JAMB always releases the form. When they release it, I would also get this form for you and show you, do another video. We're going to fill it together. We're going to also do a seminar. So make sure you join our WhatsApp group. You can, on our profile bio, you see our WhatsApp number. You can WhatsApp us, say you want to join our free updates group, or just WhatsApp us on 080 38 73 28 79. Okay, 080 38 73 28 79. So you select your institution, your course, okay, your first choice of university, second, third, and fourth choice. Don't worry, I would teach you on all this, okay? Now, you now select your subject combination. Make sure it tallies with your O-level result. Whatever course, whatever thing. It's not that you go and put account, and in your WAEC, you didn't do account. It doesn't tally. Do you understand what I'm saying? Okay, then you pick your preferred exam town. Where do you want to sit? If you have disability, you state it clearly, and they will assist you. Then this is very important. They must capture your biometric data and your live photo. They will thumbprint all your fingers. Okay, the print. This must be done. All right, and there's also a dual screen rule that you insist on looking at a second monitor. Okay, that's what JAMB says when you are doing your registration, so that you check, you verify everything the person is doing before clicking submit. Make sure you see it. There are several mistakes. These people will come to me, oh ma'am, the email they didn't put G, they omitted one in my email, they omitted a letter in my email, and they can't receive mail from JAMB. Okay, but anyway, there are solutions to that. If you have that problem, you can always WhatsApp me. All right, so here, and after that, after you check before they click submit, check all your details, your subject combination, then you'll be given your novel, which is a Lekki Headmaster. You'll be given the physical copy. Don't worry, if they don't give you, WhatsApp us, we can send you the PDF. Okay, now the next thing is they must print. Please print your registration slip. Do not leave the center. Look at what I wrote. Do not leave the center without your registration slip. And you will notice that immediately you finish registration, you will receive an email from JAMB. And that email is so important because it carries your access, your password, your user name to your JAMB caps. JAMB caps is so important because that's where your O-level results will be uploaded, and that's where you would accept admission. Do you get? That's where you will print your result and print your admission letter. So it's very important. So you will receive that email from JAMB. All right. So these are the documents needed: NIM, valid email, sorry, all these things. Then these are the common mistakes to avoid. Double check all these things. Double check. That's why that dual screen is so important. Choose the correct subject combination for your course. Please do not just pick anything from Google. That's what some students make mistake. Do not just pick anything from Google. All right, confirm from the school, the university, the department. Confirm from people in the department that have gained admission. Please, what is the subject combination? What is the WAEC requirement? Why I say so? Because some schools have specific requirements. For example, like Unilag, you want to go for engineering in Unilag, you must sit for further maths in WAEC. If any students score 300 and they don't sit for further maths in WAEC, you won't be given admission. So all those specific requirements, make sure you confirm from your department. Do you see that? Ensure your O-level subject matches the course requirements. Do not rush. Read. Don't let anyone put you under pressure in the JAMB CBT center. Tell them, please, I need to see everything. Don't be bullied. Tell them, I need to see everything. If you can carry your mom or dad along, you need to see everything. Okay? So I look at this. Keep your login details. Keep your email, your phone number active. And I also stated, write down your profile code, your login details, password in your journal, just in case you misplace your device. Always print and do what? Save your registration slip. So these are some profile code issues. If you have record not found, you go for validation, wrong parameter. If you have any profile code issues, please guys, just WhatsApp me. Please share this video to help someone. All right. So this is a step by step. There's no big deal about it. If you still need more information, okay, you can always WhatsApp me. And if you need this document, I'm creating a very wonderful document for you guys so you can read all these things and know it. Just comment below, ma, I want it. Okay, so thank you. You are blessed and you are destined to win. Don't forget, Jesus loves you. Come to him today. You can join our online classes and also get the DTW JAMB CBT app. Support us by getting a DTW JAMB CBT app. Download on Google Play Store.